Welcome back to Mixed Crimson Kitty's Hand-Picked Quarantine Pretties. Say that 3 times fast. On today's episode, we revisit this gorgeous rainbow wig. I only have 5, so deal with it. You're gonna see some repeats. Now, on today's episode, we're talking all about masks. There is a lot of civil unrest going on, which is why Black Lives Matter actually matter, and also coronavirus. Now, with the two converging, it's really important to speak up and use your voice, because all lives matter when Black lives matter. Objects, buildings, things can be replaced. Human lives cannot. Coronavirus is not going away anytime soon. That's just the facts.
And a lot of people who take on Memorial Day and just celebrate the warmer weather put themselves and others at risk.
So what I'm going to do today is demonstrate how to make a quick mask out of 2 hair ties and a bandana. I almost said banana. Oops. All you need is 2 hair ties and a lovely bandana. It's really for on the fly when you're outside, especially if you're outside in the front lines, you're outside protesting, and you just generally want to keep safe. Okay, so this is the finished product I'm going to show you so we can actually dissect and take it out. All right, really, really simple. Step 1. Take your bandana or any square type of fabric. It doesn't have to be a bandana, whatever you have in your home. And you're gonna lay it nice and flat on any type of surface. You're gonna then take these edges and fold them in the middle, making sure that they're even. If they're not, you can always adjust, not a problem. And that is step 1, yay! Step 2. You're gonna take the edges again and you're gonna fold them in the middle and adjust if needed. And that is step 2. Step 3. You're gonna take these gorgeous hair ties. I do recommend rubber bands. It'll give a little bit more stretch. And you are gonna take this, you're gonna take the edge, and you are gonna just put it on through. Really, really simple. You're just gonna loop the bandana in, and you want to make sure that this is even. Now, the middle is where your face is going to be, your nose and your lips. And also, this looks like a candy, so I'm into that as well. Step 4, all you're gonna do is put this and put this side and have them meet in the middle, and they're like, hi, how you doing? Hello, hello, I want to protect your face. Oh my God, so thank you. You were just like so considerate. Thank you, yay. And just pull this in, and that's it. Now, you don't want to pull this loose without holding this, otherwise it's gonna come apart. It is the gravity of your face that keeps this together. And now it's going away. I don't know what's going on. Cheap stop motion animation. There you go. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more updates. Have you tried this tutorial? Please let me know. There's that little eye thing that's a poll, and fill it, because yay. Did you like anything about this tutorial, especially my face? You can always leave a comment below, and I will see you next time. Meow, meow, meow. Meow.